Okay guys, shout out guys. Nami karon sa kuan guys sa Kamugaw Falls with my guest here from China. Here, so this is my friend from the China. So we are here in the Kamugaw Falls. So ganahan mo mori guys sa ako ang Facebook comment section, dito ang comment, pwede mo share na to guys ang views Kamugaw guys. Sa pang the tourist spot, wanted to go come here, so just call me and I am the tour guide. This is the brand of water guys. It's so nice. I wanted to go here, plain water. See guys, oh, this is good. It's good guys. So nice guys. Kamugaw. Okay guys.